Hello friends, we are here today to show you a fun new tool that we've developed for you that we are calling the Blitz. To use it, you're going to go to BibleQuizShop.net just like you would for the online buzzers. Once you get there, you click Get Started. Now this game doesn't have a Quizmaster, so anyone who's setting up the game can do this. Although Quizmasters, you're still welcome to join in on the fun. Once you're there, you need to select the group that you're with. I'm going to select Teen. From here, you click on Blitz. You can either choose any chapter in the text, you can choose by block, or if you select nothing, it'll automatically do the whole text. We're going to do Galatians chapter 1 for this example. Once you've done that, you need to select a code. I will choose BB for Bible Bowl. Then you click Go. Okay, so this can be played by just yourself with, just one person, or you can have up to 17 other people join in with you, so you could do everyone in your church, you could do all kinds of stuff. It'd be super fun. Once everyone's in, go ahead and click Blitz. Now this game, so there will be questions. You want to answer as fast as you can. So who is an apostle not from men or by man? That's fine. Now that was slow, obviously, but you get the idea. The more quickly you answer, the more points you get. Now you can't answer multiple times in a question, but for each wrong one, you're going to lose points. So apostle not from what or man? Not from deed. Oh, not. No, okay, see? No points because we did too slow there. And we missed a bunch, so that really brought the points down. So this will go on for 20 questions. At the end of it, whoever has the highest score wins. It's pretty straightforward. This fall, we're planning on doing some nationwide competitions using the Blitz on a per chapter basis, but I don't have the details ready to go yet. We'll send out more details about that in a couple of weeks. I hope you have as much fun playing this as we have here in the office. It's been a blast as we've been testing it for you. As always, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us, and we will see you soon.